Guys, I also want to take this, you know. You guys, you know that I said I will not set Christmas tree because we are traveling. But baby Alex, we must set the Christmas tree. So I'm here to pick this, you know. So that is it. I'm in Emezeta. Guys, I also want to take this, you know. This one is 3 in 1. Let me show you. But it's very small, even though that is 3. You know, because I wanted to buy a new one. Because I've already dashed my sister the one I'm using, my old one. Well, I should take this one. This one is 1, but it's bigger than my own. So I don't know. This is it over here. This is the price. Almost €100. So I don't know. I need new one. This one is small. Never mind, guys. Can you see our Christmas tree? I just set it because of baby Alex. He's in the house because he's not feeling fine. Now say hi. Say hello. Very simple. Not too much decor on it. Just this ribbon, fiocco. By our style this year. Period. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is baby mommy Vlogmas in Italy. So guys, I'm just coming back. I'm so tired, you know. I'm so I put a new shoe. So let me write. Oh, we're gonna make our dinner. So guys, sorry about yesterday. I don't understand what my camera is doing yesterday. You know, I have code. So in my video, you'll be hearing me doing 10. Code. So that is, I'm going to make our lunch. I'm back from work right now, just now. So I'm going to make our lunch. Then 2:30, I have another work to go and do, you know. So that is it. So join me. I'm going to unbox my brand new hair fryer. Okay. Okay. Stay tuned. Let's unbox. See our Christmas tree. It's giving. Voila! Can you see my brand new? For Ende, because Ende is disturbing me, mommy. You have to buy another one so that it's Ende that is making our dinner. So she needs it a lot more than me. So that's why I went to and bought it. It's supposed to be my Christmas gift, but I have changed mine. This one will not. Hey, this one. It will not be my Christmas gift again, though. I think my Christmas is going to be another thing, like another thing, like what is a surprise? So this one is going to be here. Baby Alice is in boxing. Okay. What was here? It's what we cook. Odaga. Okay, mbarapi. Jenna waterproof. Everybody needs waterproof. So we are going to put it here. Our new. Let's show them inside. It's small, sharp, but it's two in one. You know. And they love this, and they like this. You know. So guys, as I was saying, this is supposed to be my Christmas gift, but I've changed mind. You know, it's a surprise. Another good thing is going to be my Christmas gift. You know, I love to give myself, gifted myself. No, I love to give myself. How let me see this? I love to gift myself a gift. Of course, that is stupid, Jenny. God, God. So it's going to be here. Voila! Can you see? Hello. Guys, troppo agitato oggi. Sono proprio agitata. Okay, so let's make lunch. Secondo foto, secondo foto. Cos'è questo qui? Let's see what is here. Okay. For this one go like this. You put it inside. Okay. Wow! Yeah, it's true. So open this one, put this one too. That's okay. Cello. And this is the manna. Can you see? Let's make lunch. Voila! Our lunch is ready. Pasta with ragu. Can you see? Culture Imanjat. Thanks for watching till now, and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.